Hi, my name is John Rice. I'm actually the VP of Construction for Ben Stout Construction. We're out here at Sivertsen today doing a little video tutorial on kind of how the houses are and where they stand in different stages and points of the house that you may be interested in. And this is?
I'm Logan Sessoms. I'm a construction manager for Ben Stout. I'm over Sivertsen Estates, Taylor's Creek, Four Oaks, Johnson Ridge, and Fairground Farms in Benson.
So we have varying stages of the houses. The first phase is typically what we call the grading, clearing, padding, and getting ready to build the house. So the things that take place in that stage is we actually go out, possibly clear or pad the lot to create a building pad for the house to be built on. We address any possible drainage issues up front so that we can make sure the house or yard has drainage necessary to keep any water from inundating the house. We also try to be proactive about putting up silt fence for erosion and different things to make sure that none of the sediment or any erosion takes place outside of our building lot. From that point, we typically go ahead and set up forms for concrete and get plumbing under slab done and go ahead and set everything up to get concrete poured. Once we get the plumbing under slab passed by inspectors, we then go into what we call slab prep and get the slab prepped and get that inspected and pour concrete. From that point, while that's going on, we typically have trusses delivered and other building materials delivered so that once we get concrete poured, we can start framing the house. The next stage would be basically what we call rough ends, which is the framing portion of the house. It's where we have all the plumbing, mechanical, and electrical done. Basically what you don't see, the stuff that's in the walls, such as the plumbing pipes that run all your drain lines and your water lines, the HVAC ductwork that is connected to your supply vents that you see on a finished product, the air returns that are connected to the grills that you see on a finished product, all the stuff that's in the ceilings or the walls that is kind of behind the sheetrock. Also your electrical wires, your panels, your switches, all the what we call rough end or behind the wall stuff that we do in the beginning stages. Once we get all of those different mechanicals inspected, depending on the municipality, it may be all at once or it may be individually. It could be a plumbing inspection, mechanical, electrical, and then framing, or it could be all four of those at the same time, depending on the municipality. Once we get all that done, we typically hang insulation, and then once we get the insulation inspection, we move on to drywall. And that's typically stage 2 of the process, is what we call a rough end stage.